In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Teams app on your Windows. 1. Use your web browser to navigate to the official Microsoft Teams download page. You can find this by searching for Microsoft Teams download in your preferred search engine. On the Microsoft Teams download page, look for the Download for Desktop option and click on it. You will then see options for different types of users. Click on Download Teams under the Teams for Work or School section. This is suitable for most professional and educational purposes. After clicking the download link, the file named Teams Windows will start downloading. Navigate to the location after the download is finished where your browser saves downloaded files, and double-click on the Teams installer executable file to start the installation process. The installation process will begin automatically once you run the executable file. Follow any on-screen instructions if prompted. Microsoft Teams will be installed on your computer, and you should be able to launch it from the Start menu or a shortcut on your desktop. After installation, you may need to sign in with your work or school account to start using Teams. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one or get in touch with your organization's IT department for further assistance. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.